The global automotive industry is experiencing a seismic shift. Millions of electric vehicles are on the roads today. This number is expected to skyrocket in the coming years. This transformation is driven by environmental concerns, technological advancements, and evolving consumer preferences. As nations strive to reduce their carbon footprint, electric vehicles offer a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to traditional combustion engine vehicles. This transition to electric mobility is not just about cleaner transportation. It represents a fundamental change in how we power our vehicles and our lives. The shift from fossil fuels to electricity as the primary energy source for transportation has profound implications for the future of the automotive industry and the planet. The rise of electric vehicles is a global phenomenon, and India is poised to play a pivotal role in this revolution. The transition to electric vehicles is a constructive disruption of the automotive industry. For over a century, the internal combustion engine has been the dominant technology in transportation. However, electric vehicles are challenging this paradigm, offering numerous advantages. Electric motors are inherently more efficient than their combustion counterparts, converting a higher percentage of energy into motion. This translates into lower running costs for electric vehicle owners. Beyond efficiency, electric vehicles offer a quieter and smoother driving experience. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air and healthier cities. The rise of electric vehicles also presents a unique opportunity to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, bolstering energy security and mitigating climate change. This shift is not just about replacing one type of vehicle with another. It is about creating a more sustainable and efficient transportation ecosystem. India possesses a unique confluence of factors that position it as a prime destination for electric vehicle manufacturing. The nation's large and growing domestic market, coupled with a skilled workforce and abundant natural resources, creates a fertile ground for the electric vehicle industry to flourish. Furthermore, India's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint and embracing sustainable technologies aligns perfectly with the global push for electric mobility. The Indian government has recognized the transformative potential of the electric vehicle sector and has implemented supportive policies to incentivize its growth. These factors, combined with India's strategic location and its ambition to become a global manufacturing hub, make it a compelling destination for electric vehicle investment. Several cities and regions in India are emerging as electric vehicle manufacturing hubs, attracting investments and driving innovation. Pune, known as the Detroit of India, is home to established automotive giants and is rapidly becoming a center for electric vehicle production. Chennai, another automotive stronghold, is also witnessing a surge in electric vehicle manufacturing activities. Gujarat, with its robust manufacturing ecosystem and proximity to ports, is attracting significant investments in battery production and electric vehicle assembly. Similarly, Karnataka, with its strong technology sector and skilled workforce, is emerging as a hub for electric vehicle software development and component manufacturing. These cities and regions are leveraging their existing strengths while adapting to the evolving demands of the electric vehicle industry. Section 5. Government initiatives, driving the EV dream. The Indian government has played a proactive role in fostering the growth of the EV sector. Through initiatives like the faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles, or FAME scheme, the government is providing financial incentives to EV buyers and manufacturers. These incentives aim to make EVs more affordable and encourage their adoption across various vehicle segments. In addition to financial support, the government is also focusing on creating a conducive policy environment for EV manufacturing. This includes streamlining regulations, promoting research and development, and investing in charging infrastructure. These initiatives are creating a favorable ecosystem for EV companies to thrive and contribute to India's sustainable development goals. Section 6. Market dynamics, a growing appetite for EVs. India's burgeoning middle class and rising disposable incomes are fueling the demand for personal mobility. This, coupled with growing environmental awareness, is creating a significant market for electric vehicles. Indian consumers are increasingly recognizing the benefits of EVs, including lower running costs, reduced emissions, and a quieter driving experience. The Indian EV market is also witnessing the entry of new players, both domestic and international, bringing in innovation and competition. This is leading to the development of new and affordable EV models tailored to the specific needs of the Indian market. The growing demand for EVs is further supported by the expanding network of charging stations across the country, making EV ownership more convenient. Section 7. A skilled workforce. Gearing up for the future. India boasts a vast pool of skilled engineers, technicians, and researchers who are vital for the growth of the EV industry. The country's strong educational institutions and vocational training centers are producing a workforce that is well equipped to meet the demands of this rapidly evolving sector. The transition to electric mobility requires specialized skills in areas such as battery technology, power electronics, and software development. India's workforce is adaptable and quick to acquire new skills, making it an ideal destination for EV companies looking to establish manufacturing and research facilities. The government is also playing a role in upskilling the workforce through various training programs and initiatives, ensuring a steady supply of talent for the EV industry. Section 8. Resource rich. Access to critical materials. India is endowed with abundant reserves of critical minerals such as lithium, cobalt, and manganese, which are essential components of EV batteries. These minerals are crucial for the production of high-performance batteries that power electric vehicles. Having access to these resources domestically gives India a strategic advantage in the global EV market. By leveraging its mineral wealth, India can reduce its dependence on imports, secure its supply chain, and become a key player in the global battery manufacturing landscape. The government is actively promoting responsible and sustainable mining practices to ensure the long-term availability of these critical materials for the EV industry. Section 9. India's EV vision, a sustainable future. India's journey towards becoming a global EV manufacturing hub is not just about economic growth, it is about creating a more sustainable and equitable future. The transition to electric mobility aligns with India's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint and combating climate change. By embracing EVs, India can reduce its dependence on fossil fuels, improve air quality in its cities, and create a cleaner and healthier environment for its citizens. This transformation also presents an opportunity to create new jobs, boost innovation, and enhance India's technological prowess. By investing in research and development, particularly in advanced battery technologies and renewable energy sources, India can position itself at the forefront of the global clean energy transition.